Fun and buying a house are probably two concepts that cannot be further apart. Instead of being fun, buying a home can be stressful and stressful. This is understandable, as this is an investment that lasts a lifetime for a whole set of generations. Buyers are intimidated by the various dimensions that make buying a home problematic, from the legal, financial aspects, dealing with brokers, agents, insurance, and other matters related to the purchase. But dissecting these obstacles and adding a little spice to your choice of property can make this life-changing decision enjoyable. Step 1. Assess your finances. The question here is, can the buyer pay for a home payment? The buyer may want to consult a financial advisor about the strategy he or she can employ to pay for a home. This is imperative, especially if the buyer has a problematic credit history and other financial obligations. The buyer must also reach a compromise between the ability to pay and the desired property. Step 2. Research. With the explosion of information in the current era, it becomes more exciting to search for possible properties. Newspapers, advertisements, references, brochures, and even the internet offer the buyer more options and better options. Buyers should make the most of this excess information to facilitate their decision regarding a home. Step 3. Learn from others. If the buyer is a beginner, he or she does not have to make the common mistakes that beginners make. He or she should get in touch with people who have been in the same circumstance and learn from their experience. This will save the buyer a lot of pain later. Even gray-haired veterans of such purchases would do well to seek advice from trusted colleagues on the subject. Step 4. Find a suitable agent. This is one of the most underrated and essential aspects of buying a home. Most buyers end up with an agent by accident. It would be good for the buyer to do research and contact an agent whose strategy and skills fit the buyer's needs. A skilled agent can save the buyer a lot of trouble and is critical to a successful sale. Step 5. Close the deal. A lot of discussion and paperwork involved in closing a deal. However, if the previous actions were successful, it will probably be more exciting than worrying. Here, the buyer and seller agree on the financial details, paperwork, and other details vital to the sale. If this is vertical, the buyer can now return home to a new and exciting home.